You've heard of the MBA, but what you might not know is the real power of this degree isn't in the name, it's in the specialization. The future isn't for generalist, it is for the specialist. Let's look at the classics. Let's start with finance. For decades, this has been a top MBA specialization, but the world is changing. The days of manual data entry and complex financial modeling are taken up by over automation. According to McKinsey, AI can cut operational costs in finance by up to 30%. The demand for financial analysts who just crunch numbers is declining. The new demand is for the strategic leaders who can leverage AI tools for risk assessment, quantitative analysis, and managing digital assets. This is why top B schools are now integrating fintech, blockchain, and AI for decision making into their finance curriculum. Next would be operations management. This specialization has been hit hard by automation. Repetitive tasks in supply chain and logistics are now being handled by AI powered tools. However, the role is not becoming obsolete, it's evolving. The demand is shifting from managing processes to optimizing them. According to McKinsey study, over 65% of operation leaders now need advanced analytics and tech-enabled process expertise. Your role is no longer just to manage a warehouse, but how to use data to predict disruptions, optimize supply chains, and manage tech-driven systems. Even human resources is being redefined. Traditional HR roles focused on recruitment, payroll, and training, but AI is automating all these tasks. According to a report from IBM, their AI-powered tool, Ask HR, automated over 80 common HR processes in a single quarter, saving one department 12,000 hours. The demand for an HR professional who simply handles administrative tasks is losing ground. The new demand is for strategic leaders with an MBA who can use HR analytics to predict employee retention, identify talent gaps, and manage the ethical use of AI in hiring and performance management. Not all specializations are seeing a decline. Marketing is thriving, but in a completely different form. The days of relying on intuitions are over. Now it's about data driven decisions and hyper personalization. A report by Goldman Sachs forecast that the digital marketing sector will be worth $160 billion in 2025. Demand for marketing professionals with skills in digital strategy, consumer behavior analysis, and AI driven campaign management is skyrocketing. The message is clear: whether a specialization is declining or evolving, the brand of your college is what insulates you from all these trends. Because at a top tier college, you're not just learning a specialization, you're learning how to lead it with a tech driven world. Graduates from premier institutions like IIMs, XLRI, ISB, and JBIMS command higher salaries, which is about 20 to 30 lakhs per annum, regardless of the specializations. From a top tier MBA in finance, you can expect around 20 to 45 lakhs per annum, compared to a significantly lower average for a similar degree from a lesser known college. These colleges offer an unparalleled network, industry access, and a curriculum that integrates cutting edge skills into even the most traditional fields. This is why the top percentile matters. The investment isn't just in the degree, it's in the brand that will open doors and protect you from the changing demands of the corporate world. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the like button if you really like it. Thanks.